Good morning, real estate rock stars. Welcome back to Coffee with CMG. Grab your favorite cup of coffee and settle in because today we're diving into one of the most important tools in your real estate toolbox, and that's the listing presentation. Let's face it, a great listing presentation can be the difference between winning or losing a client. And if you want to win more listings, you have to and you need a presentation that's bulletproof. So today, I'm gonna walk you through 3 must-haves to make your listing presentation stand out and make sure clients choose you, not any other agent, every single time. First up, gotta know your numbers. Sellers, they wanna work with someone who understands the market. So when you're preparing and prepping your listing presentations, don't just bring a CMA. I want you to bring a story that explains the numbers. Highlight recent sales in the neighborhood, price per square foot, all that, trends, days on market. Then make it personal. Show them what this data means for their home. Sellers love hearing how their homes fits into the bigger market picture. Next, you've gotta highlight your marketing strategy. A generic, I'll list your home on the MLS. In this market, it just won't cut it anymore. I want you to show them you have a step-by-step plan that will get their home maximum exposure. Talk about professional photography, virtual tours, social media campaigns, email blasts to your buyer database. If you use platforms like Ylopo or targeted Facebook ads, explain how that's gonna get their home in front of more potential buyers. And here's the kicker, the last one. Every single time you go on a listing appointment, you have to prove your value. This is where you show why you're worth every penny of that commission. So share examples of how you've sold homes faster or for higher prices than others in the area. And to accomplish this, testimonials from happy sellers can go a long way. So don't be shy about using those success stories. Now here's a pro tip that will blow them away every single time. Leave them with something memorable. Maybe it's a seller's guide that outlines the process step by step, or a video recap of your marketing plan they can just rewatch later. Giving them something tangible helps you stick in their mind long after the meeting is over. So to sum it up, for every listing presentation, you want to know your numbers, wow them with your marketing plan, and prove your value. If you can do these 3 things, you'll walk out of those listing presentations with the signed contract in hand every single time. All right, real estate rock stars, it's time to take action. This week, I want you to polish up that listing presentation and make sure you're ready to blow your next seller away. So this week is your week to win more listings and take your business to the next level. Until next time, keep that coffee strong and your presentations even stronger. Let's make it an amazing week, and we'll see you next Monday on Coffee with CMG.